Are you tired of disappointing sound quality from your car speakers? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Orion Cobalt CB42. The Orion Cobalt Series CB42 is a standout choice in the budget-friendly category, priced at $39.95. What caught my attention is its powerful 160W peak output, offering a performance that's hard to beat for this price range. If you want immersive audio on a budget, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The CB42 delivers 40W RMS, which means it can handle a solid amount of power to produce crystal clear sound. Its two-way design features a dedicated woofer for deep bass and a tweeter for sharp highs, creating a balanced audio experience. Plus, it has a frequency response of 75 Hz to 20 kHz, ensuring you hear every note clearly. With over 300 units sold in the past month, it's clear that many folks are opting for this upgrade. Now, some people complained about its installation process being a bit tricky, especially for those unfamiliar with car audio systems. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and follow the clear instructions provided, it's manageable. If you're a DIY enthusiast, you might even find it a fun project. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable upgrade that enhances your music experience without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're after a high-end, premium sound system. For the price, it offers excellent value. Now, if the installation aspect of the Orion CB42 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with an even easier setup. Product number 2. CT Sounds Bio 4 Cox. The CT Sounds Bio 4 Cox is another great contender, priced at just $34.99. What stands out here is its balanced tonal range, making it a solid choice for those who appreciate depth in their music. If you want a well-rounded sound at a wallet-friendly price, this speaker is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This 4-inch coaxial speaker delivers 40W RMS and has a peak power of 160W, giving you more than enough juice for clear sound. The silk dome tweeter paired with the polypropylene woofer provides rich mids and tight bass, meaning you won't miss any of your favorite tracks' nuances. With over 200 sold recently, it's gaining popularity for good reason. Now, some users have noted that the bass might not be as punchy as they hoped for heavier genres. Here's the thing though, if you primarily listen to pop or acoustic, you'll likely find the sound more than satisfactory. This could be a deal breaker for bass heads, but it's definitely not an issue for casual listeners. This is perfect for you if you want to upgrade your factory speakers without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you're looking for earth-shattering bass. For the price, it delivers impressive performance. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more power. Product number 3, the Kenwood KFC 1066S, priced at $49.95. I was impressed with its peak power of 210 watts, which is pretty high for a 4-inch speaker. If you want a speaker that packs a punch, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a frequency response of 45 Hz to 22 kHz and a sensitivity rating of 90 decibels, this speaker ensures that every beat and vocal comes through crystal clear. It also has a 1-inch balanced dome tweeter that enhances the high frequencies, making your music sound brighter. Despite being a newcomer, it's already sold over 100 units this month. Now, some reviews pointed out that at high volumes, the sound can get a bit distorted. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who likes to keep the volume at moderate levels, you'll be perfectly fine. This is primarily a good option for those who enjoy a balanced sound without cranking it up to the max all the time. This is perfect for you if you enjoy a clear, well-rounded sound in your car. Skip this one if you need speakers that handle very high volumes without any distortion. For the performance you get, it's fairly priced. Now, if you're looking for deep bass, the next product has some features that might surprise you. Product number 4, Kicker 46 CSC44. The Kicker 46 CSC44 is a premium option at $74.99, and honestly, it delivers some impressive features. What really caught my attention is the heavy-duty motor structure that promises ultra-clean bass. If you're serious about your audio experience, this one is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The EVC, or extended voice coil technology in these speakers, allows for deeper lows, making it a fantastic choice for bass lovers. Its frequency response ranges from 20 Hz to 20 kHz, which means you'll hear everything from your favorite thumping bass lines to the subtle details in the highs. With about 100 sold recently, it's clear that this speaker is favored by many. Now, some users mention that the price might be a bit steep for a 4-inch speaker. Here's the thing though, if you value sound quality and build durability, this investment pays off. This might not be the best fit for those just seeking a quick and cheap upgrade. This is perfect for you if you prioritize sound quality and are willing to invest a little more for it. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget and looking for a simple upgrade. Considering the performance, it's actually a good value for serious audiophiles. Now, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly without sacrificing too much quality, the last product on our list could be just what you need. Product number 5, Pile 4-inch Car Sound Speaker. We have the Pile 4-inch Car Sound Speaker, which is the most affordable option at just $28.99. What surprised me was its peak power of 180 W, which is impressive given the price. If you want decent sound without spending a lot, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a frequency response of 110 Hz to 20 kHz, this speaker can cover a wide range of sounds. The non-fatiguing butyl rubber surround ensures that you get a comfortable listening experience without straining your ears. Plus, it includes grills and wiring for easy installation. With over 100 units sold this month, it's a popular choice for budget-conscious shoppers. Now, some users did point out that the sound quality isn't as refined as pricier models. Here's the thing though, for casual listening, it serves its purpose well and provides good value for its price. This is a deal breaker for audiophiles, but for everyday drivers, it can be more than adequate. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable option that still sounds decent. Skip this one if you're an audio enthusiast seeking top-tier performance. At this price, it's hard to beat the value. So, if you're looking for budget-friendly options without sacrificing too much quality, this is a solid pick. We've covered a range of 4-inch car speakers that cater to different needs and budgets. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Kicker 46 CSC44 because its sound quality and builds just can't be beaten for serious audio enthusiasts. On the other hand, I'd avoid the Orion CB42 if you're looking for something that's easy to install without a hitch.